SAP+D is the School of Architecture, Planning and Design. And the School of Architecture, Planning and Design at UM6P is actually a unique school. Why? Because it's combining three main areas of expertise of architecture, planning, and design. And this school is centered around four main principles in its programs of education, research, development, and innovation. It has these four principles, which is the first one, smart solutions around buildings and built environment. Human-centered, I think architecture and planning should serve, first of all, the human factor. And the other thing that is so important, this school is dealing with all the problems within a multi-scale dimension. Why multi-scale? We're not dealing with one building at the scale of 1 to 100 or at the territorial scale of 1 to 2,000. So therefore, we're dealing actually from the building to the district, to the city, to the region, and to the territory. It's multi-scale, and it's also around sustainability and resilience. The graduates of this school, they would be very efficient as builders, as designers, as people of creative mind, and they are very critical in order to plan and design within a critical context like the one of Morocco.
School of Architecture, Planning and Design give us new ways of learning and innovative skills in order to improve where we live without forgetting what's been done and the soul of everything that's around us.
The School of Architecture, Planning and Design, SAP+D, its ecosystem is very innovative, which is the Mohammed VI Polytechnic University. I think we are so proud of being within this academic prestigious setting of UM6P that provides us with an interdisciplinary dimension from agriculture, from resilience of the landscape, to materials and nanotechnology and smart materials, to the experimental mine, to the experimental farm that we have, to the industrial plantations, and all of that within a vehicle, which is the green and smart city of Ben Gurion. This green and smart city itself is a living lab for a school like ours, which is the School of Architecture, Planning and Design. And I think that hands-on learning by doing through those living labs of OCP projects, the projects of the campus itself, that the school was highly involved in tailoring, designing its physical campus, in addition to the different projects that are in the green cities. So our students, they are so lucky to find that the school has an ecosystem of experimentation. And this is the future of architecture. It's not just about aesthetic play, but rather to experiment ideas and move forward to the future.
Architecture is a very inspiring profession, and it needs to be practiced in an even more inspiring environment. And the School of Architecture, Planning and Design of Ben Gurion provides that, since it encourages its individuals by learning and acquiring the knowledge and the skills needed for planning the smart and human-centered cities, since human is in the heart of our every reflection.
To cut the story short, I think the School of Architecture, Planning and Design has three or four outcomes. One, train future architects and planners to be more efficient, to be more responding to the human needs rather than to respond to the ego of the architect. Number two, I think technology and engineering, and how our students, they are not just a mere superficial copy-paste of solutions, but they can, through startups and through incubation, to devise their own solutions within our laboratories of the university. One may say, why architects, they need to go to innovation? I think it's the time. Building industry throughout history was always a vehicle of finding solutions for structural systems from materials, and they think the building should not just be dwelling into the architectural design per se, but they need to move to these technical solutions. I think the third outcome, the School of Architecture Planning at UM6P, it's not only training future architects, but also helping the practicing existing architects to equip themselves with updated tools to be more efficient in a very changing market.
I am very happy and proud to be a student that is going to witness the birth of the green and smart city of Benguir, since it's a very important thing to have this project in our country. As a student, I think it's important for me to see how it works and to maybe to help and give ideas and see how things are changing and how we can actually build something smart and eco-friendly.
The School of Architecture, Planning and Design can be a vehicle to serve a whole continent to meet its new challenges, and the challenges are numerous.